In this circuit lesson, we're going to be wiring in a push button. So in your kit, you have these little push buttons. So electrons, I don't know, let me move this out of the way so you can see. All right, so check this out. This is a push button. Okay, so when you push down on it, you hear a little click. Okay. So the electrons will flow, when they're connected in the right way, will flow from here to here when that button is pushed down. I don't believe this push button will let electrons flow between these two legs, okay, but it should definitely flow between these legs, and we're going to find that out in just a moment. So what you need to do is wire up the first circuit that you learned, which was this LED circuit with a resistor in it. Okay, so if you don't have this wired up, wire in a red jumper wire to E1 and 5 volts. Wire up an LED, use the red LED for this, into A1 and A2. The positive leg, the long leg, goes into A1. You're going to use a 330 ohm resistor. That's the orange, brown, gold. That's going to go into B2 and B10. And then you have a black jumper wire going from E10 to ground. That was the very first circuit we did. What we're going to do is we're going to break this connection right here, the black connection, the black wire connection, and leave that unwired for a second. You're going to take the push button, and this leg right here is going to go into E10, just like that. It's going to go across the channel gap here, and you're going to push that in. So the one leg is going to go into E10, the other leg is going to go into E12. Here's a better shot, I hope. So there's the legs of the push button. Okay. And then you're going to take the end of the black jumper wire and you're going to put that into A12. And then when you push the push button down, hopefully you have your USB plugged into your computer so there's power going to the red board as well. If you haven't done that, do that. And then push on the push button and the LED turns on. Okay, so that's closing that circuit so that electrons can flow through the button and complete the circuit. All right, there's your push button circuit.